My name is Victoria Alexander, and my topic is the dangers of pollution effects on our coral reefs. Many people question whether or not there is an underwater city in our ocean, like Atlantis, and we just haven't found it yet. But we have. There are underwater cities all around us in Australia, the Caribbean, Fiji, and many more. These underwater cities are coral reefs, and they are in danger because humans are affecting the way they do things and are dying one by one because of pollution. What are coral reefs? Coral reefs are the skeletons of polyps. What are polyps? Polyps are living organisms that secrete calcium carbonate to build protective skeletons or barriers, forming our beautiful corals that we see. Why are coral reefs important? Why should we care? Reason number one, because of that diversity of life found in the habitats created by coral reefs, they're often called the rainforests of the sea. About 25% of our ocean's fish depend on healthy coral reefs. Reason number two, coral reefs control how much carbon dioxide is released into our ocean. Without corals' help in controlling carbon dioxide, it would be a rippling effect on all life on Earth. Reason number three, you may not have known this, but coral reefs also act as a barrier during events like hurricanes, protecting life on shore, helping to ease the damage that could occur during these events. What are the main pollution effects on our coral reefs today? Reason number one, coral reefs are feeding on microplastics that humans have brought upon the ocean, whether that's entanglement of our fish or chemical reactions. Many studies have shown that coral prefer microplastics over their natural food, having a junk food effect on our coral, which could lead to the destruction of coral reefs. Reason number two, the world's largest coral reef is our Great Barrier Reef in Australia, and it's dying off. Its major effect is climate change. Because of climate change, there is rising temperatures and increasing acidity in the ocean. The most visible impact is coral bleaching or whitening. Because humans are releasing greenhouse gases into the air, it rises the carbon dioxide levels, meaning more acidification, which means it's harder for coral to build their calcium carbonate skeletons. Now, how do we help? The answer is clean water and healthy fish. If humans realize that every move we make impacts the things surrounding us, things like our coral reefs will survive. Clean water depends on careful use of the land, avoiding too many fertilizers and erosion caused by deforestation and certain construction practices. Fish play important roles on coral reefs, particularly the fish that eat seaweeds and keep them from smothering corals, which grow more slowly than seaweeds. Fish also eat the predators of corals, such as crown of thorn starfish. But if we continue to overfish, we won't have the fish to do that. Fishermen either take all of the fish needed for protecting coral reefs, or they scare them away. If we keep living to just better our own lives, it may hurt us in the end. We have other options in not polluting our world. We just need to start using these options. Coral reefs need our help just as much as we need theirs. So again, at the end of the day, it all runs back to humans and our involvement with reefs. Please protect our underwater cities.